Kirby here from Kirbuild. We're here at our recently completed architectural build in West Melton, so we thought we'd give you the grand tour. When you enter the house through the large glass door, you're greeted by a bold charcoal concrete floor which flows through the majority of the house. On your left, there is the first curved wall of the house which takes you down to the living quarters. In there you have 3 bedrooms, a bathroom and the water closet. Down the far end of the long hallway you have the master bedroom with a walk-in wardrobe and the ensuite, which consists of a skylight for opening up for more light and his and hers showers. As you walk back down the hallway, you have your curved wall on your left and the second one on your right, which is a green French wash painted wall. That there sucks you into the kitchen, which consists of a large cathedral ceiling with also the lounge and the living room in it. Another feature in this main living area is a large steel portal. Lastly, in the kitchen there are 2 barn doors on this feature wall. Behind one of them is a scullery, and the second one you have the laundry and the last separate toilet. The exterior cladding consists of 2 different elements. One being ironclad, which is the same profile as the roof, which is a flaxpod clad, which is then reverse run onto the walls to give you a nice seamless flow down effect. The other cladding being a slimline white dart brick which flows around the north side of the building. One feature out in this area is all of the external doors and windows are all recessed into the building with a negative detail black soffit. This allows the brick line above the windows to follow through on the fascia and gutter line. In the future, there is a proposed deck which is outside all the bedroom and living areas, which is north facing, so plenty of sun and with great views of Mount Hutt and the surrounding mountains. Thanks for watching. We have plenty of other jobs in the pipeline coming up, so make sure you keep up to date with our social media platforms to see what's going on. If you're thinking of building or renovating, make sure you get in contact with the team today.